If Allah guides you to remember Him, it's a sign that Allah loves you. All power belongs to Allah. Forgive people so that perhaps Allah may forgive you. Nothing can change your destiny except dua to Allah. Allah has already planned your life. If something goes wrong, it went wrong for a reason. Yes, Allah knows you are tired. Allah knows it is difficult for you. But you must also know that Allah would never place you in a situation that you can't handle. And the devil said, I will continue to lead your servants astray for as long as their souls are in their bodies. To which Allah replied, Then I will continue to pardon them for as long as they ask me for forgiveness.